Axis Bank is slightly bearish. We are expecting that it may try to fill the gap. On my short below 735 with a stop loss of 739, target of 724 levels. ICICI Bank, looking at the patterns in the chart, we are thinking of shorting this at 717, below 17 for a target of 710. We are only bullish above 723.6 for a target of 740. Steel sector is strong and JSW has been going pretty strongly. For a intraday, one may think of buying on dips for a target of 720 levels. Tata Motors, is bullish, and we are expecting a small pullback, and maybe in the next 4 to 6 months we can expect 500 to 520 levels in Tata Motors. Penny stock which I was thinking of sharing is HDIL for a long term. However, it is seemed to be in the upper circuit. As we had mentioned, Shalimar Paints, we are exiting, and has been moving down ever since that. Our buy levels was around 90 and overachieved the target to 150. Thank you for your time. Hope we have another profitable day. Thank you for your likes. Let's also look at some swing trades. One can look at Equitas. Buy on dips for a target of 140 to 160 levels. The other stock we are bullish is Trent. In fact, has been moving very strongly. Let's wait for a pullback and then we can probably add for a target of 1500 to 600. Sun Pharma, we are bullish and holding. One stock which I think I wanted to share is ABB India. One may think of exiting this stock and maybe buy this at the lower levels, and this stock we or slightly bearish. One can even expect it to test 1960 levels, and then maybe we can see a slight pullback towards 2400. Soam distilleries, one can buy for a target of 70. Thank you viewers for your likes and sharing with your friends. Like and subscribe if you like our views. Do share your thoughts to make this channel more better.